पाकिस्तान में बसने वाले और बैरून मुल्क मुकीम तमाम पाकिस्तानियों को हमारा सलाम। आपका मेज़बान आरिफ जफर मंसूरी प्रोग्राम सलाम पाकिस्तान के साथ हाजिर खिदमत है। नाजरीन, जैसा आप जानते हैं, सलाम पाकिस्तान अमेरिका में बसने वाले पाकिस्तानियों की सियासी, समाजी, सकाफती, कारोबारी और तालीमी सरगर्मियों से आपको रूशनास करता है। इस सिलसिले में हमारी दरख्वास्त है कि हमें अपनी आरा, अपने मशवरों से नवाजते रहिए ताकि इस प्रोग्राम को मजीद मालूमाती और मजीद मुफीद बनाया जा सके। आज का प्रोग्राम नाजरीन पाकिस्तान और अमेरिका के रवाबत के सिलसिले में निहायत अहम है। हाल ही में पाकिस्तान में मुकीम अमेरिका की सफीर मोहतरमा एन पैटरसन हालिया दौरे में अमेरिका तशरीफ लाई और उन्होंने हमें एक एक्सक्लूसिव इंटरव्यू इस मौके पर इनायत किया। हम आपकी खिदमत में ये इंटरव्यू पेश करते हैं। आइए इस इंटरव्यू को मुलाहिजा फरमाइए। Ladies and gentlemen, we have the U.S. Ambassador to Pakistan, Ann Patterson, with us here today. Of course, Ann Patterson is a very well-known name globally. She's a very seasoned and highly respected diplomat. And prior to her assignment in Pakistan, she has served as the ambassador to Colombia and El Salvador. And I would first of all like to welcome you and thank you for joining us today.
Well, thank you very much, Arif. Thank you for inviting me here. And I've had a very interesting time with the Pakistani American community in Southern California.
I would like to begin by asking you about the U.S.-Pakistan relationship. The U.S.-Pakistan relationship historically has been a transactional relationship rather than a deep, meaningful relationship. Now, recently, President Obama in December of 2009, in a speech said that, and I'll quote him, this is what he said: "In the past, we too often defined our relationship with Pakistan narrowly. Those days are over. Moving forward, we are committed to a partnership with Pakistan that is built on a foundation of mutual interest, mutual respect, and mutual trust." What is the status of the relationship subsequent to this statement?
Well, I use that quote of President Obama a lot when I speak to Pakistani groups in Pakistan because I think it symbolizes the new relationship that he wanted to have. And it won't be just aid. I really think the Obama administration has tried to engage in a broader dialogue with Pakistanis. We're going to have another very important meeting in Washington in a couple weeks. And Pakistanis have legitimate security concerns vis-a-vis Afghanistan, vis-a-vis India. They have interest in trade with the United States. And I think what President Obama is trying to convey is that we have a long-term commitment to Pakistan. I know with our history with Pakistan, with the sanctions and with the departure from Afghanistan, that's sometimes a hard sell for Pakistanis. But believe me, the Obama administration is committed to a long-term relationship that's much broader than security. And I think you'll see the relationship's getting better, and I think you'll see some fairly significant changes in the next couple of years. To meet with you. Thank you
so much.
Thank
Thanks
you. Bye-bye.
नाजरीन, आपने US एम्बेसडर टू पाकिस्तान एन पैटरसन का इंटरव्यू मुलाहिजा फरमाया। हमें यकीन है कि आपको इनकी कैंडिड और इंसाइटफुल टॉक यकीनन पसंद आई होगी। हमें अब इजाजत दीजिए। अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। हम सब की जानिब से आपको सलाम। पाकिस्तान पाइंदाबाद।